Pratyaksham kim pramanam. That which unfolds before your very eyes requires no further proof. Indeed, all the laws of astrology are rooted in this very fundamental principle. Today, we will uncover the solid astronomical science hidden behind the 19-year Mahadasha of Saturn in the Vimshottari system. Greetings, friends. The rules of astrology emerged from centuries of profound observation of the ever-changing celestial map and its deep impact on Earth. The Vimshottari Dasha and the time division of the 9 planets within it is an inseparable part of this unbreakable cosmic order. Our ancestors observed that planetary motions repeat at specific intervals in the same constellations and directions. In these calculations, the moon and the night sky were their primary guides. Spending entire nights, months, and years observing the sky, marking patterns, and then making predictions was the very core of this science. The 19-year Mahadasha of Saturn is based on a specific repeating pattern between the moon and Saturn. There are 2 key astronomical events involved here. First, the major lunar standstill. This is a celestial cycle that completes every 18.6 years. During this time, the moon reaches its northernmost and southernmost extremes in the sky. Astronomers of old named this northern extreme Rahu and the southern extreme Ketu. Second, the lunar occultation of Saturn. This occurs when the moon passes directly in front of Saturn, as seen from Earth, completely obscuring Saturn, its rings, and its 6 visible moons. Every 18.6-year cycle, a phase arrives when the Moon, Earth and Saturn align in a perfectly straight line. The formula is essentially this: the 18.6-year main cycle plus the adjustment for Saturn's 6 visible satellites equals approximately 19 years. Based on this astronomical truth, Saturn was assigned a 19-year Mahadasha. This also solves the mystery of Shani Vat Rahu, meaning Rahu gives results like Saturn. Since the northern lunar standstill often occurs near Libra, Saturn's sign of exaltation, this point was identified as Rahu. And now, let me share a secret tip with you. If you have a Saturn-Moon conjunction in Libra in any house of your chart, do not fear it as a Visha Yoga. Astronomically, the Moon is eclipsing the obstacles of Saturn here. It signifies an infinite willpower to overcome challenges. Saturn provides the discipline, and the Moon converts that discipline into mental strength. Every particle in the universe is part of a grand balance. The total sum of these planetary dashas is 120 years, representing the full human lifespan. Saturn's 19 years teach us profound lessons in patience, penance, and the fruits of our karma. In the next video, we will explore the divine mathematics behind Jupiter's 16-year cycle. Until then, keep spreading the light of astronomy and astrology. Namaskar.